Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning. Good morning.
Nancy. I tried to send my homework, but it says failed attempt. It just says I can't send my homework.
Wait for a minute.
This is message sending one message to mathematics grade 4 failed.
Only two students are come. I don't know where is everyone.
I tried to send
Well
my
done.
I tried to send my homework to the group, but it says I send, but it says the message
Okay.
failed to go to the group.
Okay. Sorry. So there's why is my all good properly? So tell me, are you done your work?
Yes.
Show me. Okay. Very good. 5 to 7. Good. And 8 to 4. Are you done your work?
Yeah, I forgot to send it. Sorry. Do you want me to show you my homework?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. You got that. Very good.
I
Because I'm sure that's good. Okay. Good. Okay, I will post all these solutions. If you there any mistake, you can match with this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We are already study about the Roman word, place value, addition. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. But today's class is on. Okay. Chapter 7. Are you fine?
Yes.
Is there any problem? Okay, good. Okay. So now we are going to study about in the previous homework, is there any problem in the questions?
No.
Confirm.
Yes. No problem.
Okay, like these type. Wait. Is that clear? Wait, I want. I'm going to share my screen. Okay.
Okay.
Tell me, is it share or yes or no?
Yes, it's sharing. It's blank right now. So, yeah, I see it. I see.
Okay, good. Listen to me. First, second, third question I was giving in your homework. Okay.
Okay.
So can you solve the question number 5?
Okay.
Is it clear? Tell me first of all. Tell me, is it clear? I'm sharing my screen. Is there any problem?
It's blurry.
It's blurry. Wait. Now tell me. Now is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Solve it. I will give you 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Sure. Tell me answer. You have to remember. Write with the con. Wait. Write is your answer will give me answer with step this like this. Wait.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay. You can go. You can go.
Thank you.
5 to 7. Listen to me.
Yes.
Your answer. You give me answer like this. Like your like number of the page on Monday, number of the page on Tuesday. You have to remember that you have give me answer step by step. Okay.
Okay.
That is a manner of. Okay. So now start. your timing.
Mm. Mm. Okay. Okay, now minus 10. Mm. Two. Okay, I got the answer.
Tell me.
507 black cars.
507.
No, 587. I mean, 20. Yeah, I got you. I just showed you. Wait, let me just write it.
Okay, show me. Show me your answer. If you,
Where the light?
really blurry, I can't see.
I know it's very dark. Let me just get.
Okay, your answer is absolutely. Your answer is I think to 20,587. Yeah, perfectly right. Very good. So now you can solve. Very good. That's a good. That's a timing and your way of writing. Very good. Okay. So, huh? Listen to me. 5 to 7. There is some mental math for you. Now write down in your copy. Can you give me answer second and third? 8 to 4.
Yes, ma'am.
This question for you. Third question for you. And 5 to 7. Second question for you. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Show me. Tell me answer.
Okay, I found out the answer for number 2.
Tell me your answer.
I just show you.
Hmm. I think there is okay. Wait. You are solving question number 2.
Yeah, I'm solving question number 2.
Hmm. Yes, I think you're correct. Yeah, you're correct. Good. Let's taking some questions. Are you do? 8 to 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Today.
Tell me how many times you want.
Excuse me. What did you say?
I mean, I will give you 20 seconds more. Okay. Tell me answer fast.
The answer of the third question is 87,795.
Okay. You
Oh,
are saying here is
87,000.
5. Here is
Yeah.
5. Okay. And what we feel here?
So on the first one is 54,142.
42. Tell me again. Sorry.
54,142.
42. You meant.
Yeah, 42. And
Oh, here is what? Here
there's
is
a
what?
4, and there's a 4 in that one.
Okay. Okay. So here is 6.
Yeah,
Talking to you.
that's a 6, and the
Okay.
other one is a 3.
Okay. Tell me. 5 to 7.
Yes.
You also tell me the number. I want to feel here.
That is 3.
That is 3. Okay.
That's 1.
Okay.
One. That one's 1. There's 1 on the top, and then down there's 1 also.
Okay. Good.
That one's 9.
That is 9.
And
And here is
that,
what?
and that one's 4.
Yeah. That's good. Very good. You both are correct. Okay. Very good. So can anybody solve the puzzle? I think that is for homework.
Okay.
Because it takes time. You can solve it in your homework.
Like, I know how to do
I
that.
will. Okay. I will post in your group.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So tell me question number 3. Fast. Only 1 minute I will give you.
B3?
Question number 3.
Okay. Give me paper. Give me page.
Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Wait.
Okay, fine.
Oh, okay, never mind. The sum of two numbers is 100.
Very good. But listen to me. Your answer is correct. But listen to me. You have to write with the manner way. It means sum of the two numbers is 58,400. Okay. And
Yeah.
if you subtract what? You have to write with the sentence.
Oh, okay.
For example, if you write in your exam, is your answer is correct, but maybe it cut your marks. Your answer is correct, but maybe your teacher cut your marks. So remember that you have to write with the manner way, with the sentence.
So you want me to write in letters and not numbers?
She said.
Yeah, you can write.
She said write. Just write a sentence, just saying the answer. Just answering the question, but in letters, and just saying the answer.
Okay. Yeah. Your answer is what? I can't see. Tell me answer.
The answer was the other number is 71,800.
No,
Wait, I think I did.
it's not. It's not answer. Listen to me how to write.
Oh my God! I thought I did.
Your answer is
Yeah, I know.
yeah,
It's correct. I did 7 plus 1. I thought it was addition. No.
yeah, doing addition. You have to subtract, okay?
Got it. So the other number was 43,000.
Yes. Now you're correct. One four.
One other question now.
So listen to me.
Yes.
What I'm doing. Actually, I'm doing with the correct manner. Okay.
Okay.
So you can write like this. Sum of the two number is this. One number is this, and other number is this. Okay.
Okay.
And so you can in the last. So you can like this and saying. So the other answer is like a statement. Like you can give a statement like
I
this.
see that. Mine is the other number is 43,000.
Yeah. like this. You can answer like this. The other number is to be 48,000 like this. Okay. Answer
Yeah.
is given. Okay. So let's talk about more things. So now you understand? You have any problem?
Yeah. No problem. I understand.
Okay, good. So let's talk about the multiplication. Tell me how many know about the multiplication?
I know
Are you know?
multiplication.
I know multiplication.
You know. So tell me how many tables are you know?
What?
Sorry, what did you say?
Table. Are you know about the table?
Steve?
Yeah,
What's you say?
Table. 5 to 7. You don't know?
I know
I did
tables.
not. What?
Table. What do you mean? I'm talking about the table. Table which means 2 equal to 2, 2 equal to 4, 2 equal to 3, 2 equal to 6, like this.
Oh, that one. Yes, I know tables.
Yeah. So you know table. How many tables are you know?
I know up to, I believe, 12.
And 8 to 4. Are you know how many tables are you know?
I think up to 10.
10. Okay, 10 is sufficient. Okay. 12 is good and 10 is sufficient. What's the problem? So let's talk about multiplication. So let's talk about the properties of multiplication. Don't make a noise. 5 to 7. Don't do that. Okay, listen to me.
Yes.
The properties of. Is there any problem?
No.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it
Yes.
showing clear? Okay, listen to me.
Yes.
The number can be multiplied any order. The product remains same. It means if you multiply like 2 into 3. Tell me the answer.
6.
Okay. If you are saying 3 into 2,
6.
6 again.
3 times 2 equals 6.
It's like
it
one.
means,
1 times 1 times 1 is 1.
so it means that property is saying it means if you change any order from here there is no change. Okay? Okay? The first property is this. Remains same. The second property is this, the factor of group. If any way the product remains same, it means if you take anything like this. That is example. If you multiply 5 multiply with 2, that is what? That is 10. 5 into 2 is 10. And 10 is multiplied with 6. You can see here.
60.
Then what? It becomes 60. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now you can see here. You can see here. Here is separated 5 into 2. But here is separated 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is what?
2
12.
times 6
Yeah.
equals 12.
12 into 5 is equal to what? You can see it. 12 into 5 is equal to what?
5 times 12
six-
equals 60.
So that is 60. So you can see here, if you change the group, there is no change. Okay, that is the second property. Now, when the number multiplies with 1, you can see here, when a number multiplies with 1, the product itself. The number is itself. It means there is no change. If you multiply with 1, so the number is no change. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
You have to remember these points. And third point is very important. The fourth point is very important. When a number is multiplied by 2, the product is what?
0.
Yeah, you have to remember that is the most important part. For example, if you multiply with
2 times 0
it becomes what?
equals 0.
0.
Yeah.
Like the opposite
But
of
if you add with 0, then what?
it's gonna be
You
2.
get 2.
It's like
So that is 12.
it's 1.
So that is 12, okay. So let's move on question. Give me answer.
Hmm?
Wait. I'll write a question here.
3,
Wait.
3, 3.
3. Wait.
I can't do
3, 7,
I can't do that. I can't do that. I mean, just
and 9. You have to multiply with 7.
okay.
Tell me answer. Ten seconds left. Show me your answer.
My God. I can't do multiplication up that high too.
Now time is up. Tell me answer.
I don't have my answer yet. This thing is so.
Listen to me. I think your time is over. Now see here.
Um,
See here.
Okay.
So,
I got
are you
my
done?
answer.
Are you done?
Yes.
Tell me answer. If you done.
2,932.
No. The answer is 2,653.
What?
Let's solve here. Now see the answer. Tell me, 7 multiplied with 9. What is it? If 7 is multiplied with 9. Tell me.
7 times 9 is
That is what 63.
63.
Yeah. So here we write 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now we are adding 6. Yes or no?
Yes.
7 to 7 is what? 7 into 7.
7 to 7 is 14. 7 to 7. Wait, is it addition? Oh, wait, it's multiplication. 7 times 7 is 49.
Yeah. 7 to 7 is 49. Now add 6 in 49. 49 add 6.
That's 50. That's 55.
Yeah. That is 55. It means 5. Now we have now 5 is left. You can see 5 add here. Okay. in the
Okay.
hundred. 7 multiplied with 3 is what?
7 times 3 equals wait. 7 times 3 equals 21.
21. Now add 5.
26.
Now, if your answer is this, then you are correct.
Oh. I was not even close.
You are doing mistake, yes or no?
Yeah.
8 to 4.
Yeah.
Now you can see here, there is solution for you.
Oh.
Are you doing? Your answer is this. 2653.
Yeah.
Okay. Why are you taking so much time? Here you can see the example. Here you can see the answer. Let's move next question. Okay. Now you can notice it. Yes or no? 5 by
Yeah.
3. Now you notice.
Yes.
Okay. Let's move next question. You can say how to solve the question. Let's know the steps. First of all, we have to multiply with the first side. Yes or no?
Yes.
After then comes tens. Yes or no?
Mm.
Yeah.
Yes.
And after then
Comes 100.
100. So first of all, we multiply with 1, which means you can multiply with 7 into 9, or you can say, wait, I can't write properly. So you can see here, you can multiply with 7 into 9, and you can also say 9 into 7. Yes or no?
Yes.
Both are correct. You can see 9 into 7 is what?
9 times 7 is 63.
Yeah. And if you
7 times
multiply
9.
7
7
into
times-
9, both are 63. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. So there is no problem. If you say 9 into 7 or 7 into 9, okay? Because that is the property of multiply. Okay. So you can see here. So 7 is multiplied with 9, that is 63. 63. So 6 is comes here and 3 comes here. Now 7 into 7 is 49. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
You can multiply 49. Now you have to add 6 in what? 49. You have to add 6 in 49. It becomes 55. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now you have to write 5 and next 5 is comes here. You can see here. Okay.
Yes.
Now you have to multiply 7 with 3. 7 into 3 is
It's
7 into 3
21.
21. Yes. You have to add 21 with 5. It becomes 26. So the answer is 2653.
653.
Okay. Now you understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, okay, fine. So that is the multiply by 1 digit. Okay. You can see here, here is only 1 digit. Can you solve the question number? Now I'm giving a question. Okay. Tell me. Okay. Now, can you tell me are you know about the trick of 9 table?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
You know the trick of 9?
I know the 9 tables.
You know the 9 table. Okay, fine. So can you write in now? Write table will show me.
Okay.
Write table 9.
Yeah. Up to where?
No, you have to write only 9 tables. Table number 9.
Yeah. Okay.
Show. Tell me answer within 1 minute. Show me. I can't see properly. Can you tell me what you write in the starting?
So the start is 9, and then there's 18, and then 27, and then 36, and then 45, and 54, and 63, 72, 81, 90, and 99.
Very good, very good. 99. 99 not comes in the question.
Oh,
9
okay.
times 11 is 99.
Oh, so
So now multiply. Okay, now 537 will correct. I think now I will tell you trick. If you don't know, I know you know about the table number 19, but I will give you trick how to write a table number 9. Listen to me, both of you. What I'm saying. First of all comes 9. Yes or no?
Yes.
yeah.
Okay. After that, it's a trick. 5, 9. Tell
7.
me reverse. If you know, then good. If you
Yeah,
don't know, then
and then there's 6,
6,
and then 5,
and then
4,
4,
4, and
and
then
then 3,
3,
3,
2,
2,
2, and then 1.
and then 1.
1, and 0.
Yeah,
Okay. And after
and
that,
and
we
then
have to 1, 2,
2, 3,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
5,
6,
7,
7, 8,
8,
8, and
9.
9. So you can see here that is a table of 9. Yes, no.
Yes.
yes.
If you forget the table number 9, you can write with the step and you have to remember. You can recall you can recall in your memory. No? Is there any problem?
No.
You know what? I have also a trick 19. You know?
Yeah.
You know that?
Yes.
There is also a trick of 19. I will give you the trick in the next lecture. Okay.
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 So 19, I hope you understand. I have a question for you. Solve it and after, oh, shit. Tell me answer this question. Wait. I have to
Okay.
know that. Tell me answer.
Yeah. Okay. Wait, I thought it was 300 and 800.
3.
I'm just.
Is there any problem?
No.
Okay, show me answer. Tell me answer.
Just. What's the equation? Four.
Only 10 seconds is left. Tell me answer fast. Because table is already given here.
Okay, I got the answer.
Is,
Correct. 31,410.
I don't know, is it correct? Yes or no? 8 to 4, tell me answer.
Uh, wait.
5 to 4.
I'm not done yet.
Okay, I will give you 10 seconds more. Tell me answer fast.
9 times 9 equals 81. How high?
5 to 7.
Yes?
In the next class, you have to learn table 1 to 15. Okay,
1 to 50
1 to 15.
or 15? I thought you said 50.
So your answer is what?
31,410. Wait, 410, yeah.
Yes. If your answer is 5 to 4, I mean 8 to 4, your answer is what?
31,410.
Yeah, this one is correct.
Okay. So if your answer is this, then you are correct. Very good. You both are correct. And 5 to 7, you are doing fast. Good. So
Class is done?
yeah, class is done. I will give. Oh, now I will tell you in the next class all these things. I will tell you in the next class how to multiply with the horizontal method. You know about the vertical method, but you don't know about the horizontal method. Yes or no? I
Yeah.
know about the horizontal method.
Like Neptune down its side.
So we are talking about in the next class all these questions. So this
Okay.
is class 4. So now take care of you, both of you.
Bye. See
Bye.
you
Listen to
next.
me. Listen to me. Listen to me. I've already told you 5 to 7 you have to learn table 1 to 15 and 8 to 4 you also learn, both of you. That
Oh,
homework is both of you. Okay?
that's easy.
I will take a test in the next class, maybe. Take care.
Okay,
Bye bye.
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 See you
Bye bye.
Bye.
next
I'll see you next
meeting.
class.
Take care.
Bye.
Take care. Okay.